Welcome back my viewers and subscribers to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now, my viewers and subscribers, again, thank you very much. Enough respect, enough love, manners and respect for 3,000 and more subscribers. Thank you very, very much. Without you, it wouldn't be possible. So, what may I say, big up yourself and keep liking, keep comment, keep support so we can get the channel to more subscribers. We can get the channel bigger, big up the community. Tomorrow, yeah man, tomorrow for the first time, we go live tomorrow. Yes, we go live tomorrow. Always want to go live, but you know, a little doubt in there, but I'll give it a try tomorrow. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, before me get into this video, what me about for sure, I want to say big happy birthday to Color Smith. Yeah man, Color Smith, big up yourself, happy birthday, enough respect me general, keep doing it what you do, keep doing your thing. And one of the good reasons for big you up on your birthday, this video, when me make and I put together this individual, I come from right which part you there. Yeah man. Yes. This individual when me go feature today. See there? J-Bud the baker. See gizzard of them? And that's how him start. And J-Bud, you go tag in at this so you go get it. My mother, now I call her name still, but my mother say the other day, him get some gizzard from you, and him hear that talk, and she tell me say, he's a manageable youth, and me I tell her, I say, yeah man, I saw J-Bud stay long time. Me don't know if you recognize the face still, but you don't know, a pure love. Now my viewers and subscribers, we go get into the video. And most of all, here we go on. Erica, big up yourself, you know. Erica, big up yourself. When you look on the face, you may pick me up. If you don't pick me up, enough respect. One of them days, we'll buck up again. Long time, you know, Erica. Big up yourself. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, here are going now. J-Bud the baker. J-Bud the baker, me wouldn't say, me not going to say come out of Color Smith camp or, you know. But them is there together, and if you watch J-Bud video them, you can realize which part Color Smith used to do the cooking under the tree where they block them there. Right, which part Socks live there. Yeah, Color Smith, J-Bud, Socks. The whole of them are the same body of people them a come from. Yeah. So in this video what we have today, we just go feature J-Bud and a whole heap of something what he might do. My viewers and subscribers, he have a number, he have a WhatsApp number today. When you're done watch this video, I'm going to ask each and every one to watch this video straight through until the end. You will see exactly what this youth here do for poor people, people who don't have it, people who cannot do it for themselves. Yes, man, you'll see where him and him subscriber them, Erica and him whole heap of subscriber them when you have are put together and help the people them in a Port Antonio, in a Buff Bay, and who in can help. So me I say, so watch the video and we go show you piece and we go talk and you will see what I go on. So watch the video.
I'm going to check you one day in a week, you know.
Every day when I'm on it.
Yeah, come in, no share. Come on. Them one people, so we're just funny, you know?
But that's what.
How's the gig girl we have? Them one people, so we're just on the blessings here, man. Alright, yeah. The hat to them, man. Yeah, Gucci bag. Yeah, man, people, that's one of the blessings, the same time. Okay. Yeah, man, people, that's one of the blessings, right? Yeah, man, bless up yourself, man. Have a blessed day. You think that going to see you keep dancing? That's how it bursts, man.
No, sir.
Oh, yeah, that music thing.
Okay.
Cool. Alright. Yeah, man, we're there today again for the blessing, you know?
Yeah, show me though.
Yeah, man, it's there, man. And I come back, I take up in the right one, I take up too.
Thanks. Like more man, it's 2 pieces, you know?
Yeah. See your juice and water. That's your water.
Already.
And your juice. Come on, we're there for the blessing. So we'll continue blessing because we're a little bit late, you know?
Yeah, man, yes.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I hope you have a blessed day, man. I'm going to take you in the sea breeze.
Yes, brother. Yeah, well, it's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, people checking, so I give tell the neighbor food, you know? You know the thing, bro.
You take me already?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, enjoy your meal, uncle.
Yeah, man. That is it, man. Stay tuned, guys. Watch out.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, as you see that part. So what I'm doing is the supporters, them subscribers, them sending money and him put together, cook some food and carry out and feed these people. Sometimes when we notice him though is if him can't get to cook the food, him will go outside and purchase the food from somebody who cook the food and bring to them people, which is very important. That is very, very nice of him. So here's another part. Watch this part again. So keep watching. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, as you see again, so this is what he do. He just, to tell you the truth, he just look like he just love to do that kind of stuff where he might look out to people, you know, through the help of him subscribers them. So as we say, pan it, him show him numbers, him have a number. So 876-919-8713 if you want to reach out to him, if you want to help him to support the elders, support the homeless in a Portland or in the parish of Port Antonio or in the parish. So you can watch our next video halfway J-Bud Ado. Watch.
I look like a river, eh? But the stream is dry. Jamaica, what go on? Yeah, go on with.
Betty.
Gelaton?
Yes.
Yeah, go on with.
And the face makeup. Say.
What's the gelaton?
Yeah. And where they say Elvis? Where they say? Him and another year.
Me and the Christmas after my mother Carol. I'm my mother.
So then go do what?
Yeah, man, she go.
So then take your thing.
Yeah. There's sitting over the eye.
Cataract?
No, cataract and glaucoma.
Glaucoma?
Yeah.
That then say?
Yeah.
That bad then, I'm thinking cataract.
Me I say if cataract upon my eyeball, it can come out. It can come out.
That then say? So not cataract. A cataract then tell you?
Don't know now.
Glaucoma?
Yeah.
Glaucoma difficult still.
Maybe you know bad, if you're not bad, maybe they can't deal with it, I must say.
So with them say they can't deal with it?
They say me have to go one doctor at town.
So how far you go?
Where Sadwies is too for the riders.
Oh. When I come back, I'll check you later and find out. Lady will carry and find out the more detail.
Yeah.
So we have food and so we have breakfast,
Greatest thing you gonna know what time.
Yeah, true. But you white something like everything, I cataract.
But you come up with a man or something too.
Yeah.
I see it too. You can see it in our eye, you know.
You can see it myself. So I'm thinking of the cataract.
And cataract different.
So cataract and glaucoma you have then?
Yeah,
Yeah? Cataract me I see now. So you must have cataract and glaucoma you have.
Depending on the outside, the glaucoma on the outside.
In back of the glaucoma, back of the eye, but the cataract that you see now.
Maybe they can start you, man. That's fear for the next year in there.
No, they can take a cataract and in glimpse back. And then treat the glaucoma. That's what they have to go do it.
And maybe they can see a way they can get it.
I know someone subscriber link what they tell me say you have. Then if I doctor or but inside you have body drops say glaucoma or something. So I don't know, but I have to go see what I go on. When you check with the lady, we will find out what I go on. 11 people, so let's go and stay tuned.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you see what I do. So that is all is about. Looking about the elders, feed the elders, so him cook the food, feed the elders, and whatever him get for the people them from Erica and him crew overseas, in which part of the world them a support him and him a help the elders and the unfortunate people who can't see. So him have some people where them can't see, some where can't move around, some in a wheelchair. So him just give them a helping hand. And me, I do this video because I want you all to go over there, watch him video, go over there at J-Bud the Baker 2157. Subscribe to him channel. And when you subscribe to him channel, comment, like him videos them, and when you see the ads come up, watch the ads them, so that means him can keep helping all these people where him a help. And while you are sending my message, or while you are saying something to him, big up him main subscriber, helper. Yeah man, Erica, big her up, shout out to her, so she can continue do the best what she do for him and for the people. Watch again.
evening, man. Yeah, man, uncle, you know, so it's it now, car come.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, that's another video of sincerity, love, respect, and just pure, I don't know what word to use. You know, when we watch them videos and see what I do, and when you watch Color Smith and see what Color Smith do, and then you see what J-Bud do, and then you realize that the two of them I come from the same place, and the two of them I do some humanitarian work. I saw the word go. I don't remember if I saw the word go. See, the two of them I do some humanitarian work where not a lot of YouTubers, not a lot of people I do them things. Touch me heart, man. What me heart? Where's that? Yeah, man, it touched me heart, man. So, to be honest, me want to do that video a long time, but me just not pick up how to really do it. But me find the right way to do it because me want to show you a variety of things where him a do. And me could have made the video longer than this, but me never want the video to reach this long, you know. So, me just decide to piece them up. So that means the video now go reach way in 30 minutes, you know. So, I'll show you our next piece. And we just watch. And remember, check him out, man. J-Bud the Baker. J-Bud the Baker, 2157. Yeah, man, go over there. Tell him, say, Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle send you. And just show him pure love, man. Watch the ads them, comment, like, and share in videos them, so that means him can benefit from it, and then that benefit when I get from it, he will continue along with him subscribers to keep and help the people them when I help. Watch the video. Some of you as an subscriber, there we go. J-Bud the Baker, hot work. Him doing best. Him continue doing best. But as him say in a one of him video where I didn't get to get the part, him say in a video without the help, him now go able to continue to help these people. So you can help in a lot of ways. You can help by calling him, supporting him, by watching the videos, liking the videos, share the videos, and comment on the video. And most of all, you can watch the ads and the video. And my viewers and subscribers, also, when you watch the ad, if you click on the ad, if you click on the ad like you want to buy something from the ad or you want to check out the ad, it will give him more money, more help. And also my videos. When you watch my videos, yeah man, click on the ads. Click on the ads and make the ads come up. Go to the ads page and it will also help my channel too, because coming in January, I'll be fully starting my feeding program. Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle will be starting my feeding program in Port Antonio, Portland, Jamaica, where the boatland which part me come from. Also, that January, I'll be starting the benefit to the cancer people of Jamaica or of Port Antonio, where my dad passed away through prostate cancer. So coming January, I'll be starting those two things. I already start small, but coming January, I'll be rolling out those two things that I'll be doing in Port Antonio, in a Portland which part of the Boneland. So, no say a word. You don't know. If you can't do good, no say nothing. Or just go to your bed. Stay home, have a nice time. Respect, manners and respect. Pure love. That's all I have. Pure love. So, on the behalf of myself, Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, Peace and love. I'm out.